Put that in the boat, the board.
Talk all night. Oh, we can just sit around and do whatever we like. We can talk all day, we can talk all night. Oh, we can just run around and do whatever we like.
Forget about it all. Live like time don't exist, it's a small thing to do to change the way we act. I look around the corner, life is changing fast, but it really don't have to be like that. Do it, I don't wanna go and leave you going back to it, but I'm driving away in a car full of friends, hearing songs, a reminder of the time that we spent. And now I'm sitting and I'm wondering if the thunder's gonna roll me kiss. Oh, is the rain gonna calm down? Gotta go inside so we can talk some more.
We can talk all day, but we can talk all night. Oh, we can just sit around and do whatever we like. We can talk all day, we can talk all night. Oh, we can just run around and do whatever we like. A phone call sticking in the back of my mind. I was listening to you, yeah, it's been a long time, and it might have been a hard year. It ain't easy when you're looking in the mirror, only seeing your tears. Enough is enough, and all this time spent just drinking it up. Out of my mind, couple of times we would have a lot of fun. Get into a little trouble, hopping fences on the run, and we can only look in the past so long. Give us a second, we can sing a song about all the happy times and the time it's got me. Fucking giving up a smile before with your cans now. I got one thing to say, take a seat next to me and stay a while. We could cross paths again like we did before we grew up and did our own shit.
Seem to fade so quick. We put aside just a little time to laugh, got places to go, so little time for that. But when we go our separate ways, remember the days, late nights staying up, sharing a blaze. Cause these times, those times, all those low times, we've been together, gonna be better in no time. Cause everything that happens is a blessing in disguise. We can read it like a bunch of letters in the sky. What it says, who knows, but I know we got a lot to talk about, so come on, let's go.
We can talk all day.